If you know, you know. You know, you know. She assumed I would worship. All I heard was war shit. Man, you seen when a dog don't got a leash, where his paws when if there's too many Indians. Least the chief should let his balls sit. Can tell when he's on a leash, when there's beef and he steps into the dog shit. But see, my feed makes the dog sick. Nah, for real, look at my feet. I bet y'all all sick. Even who can't stand to see me succeed, I guess they're all sick. But when a dog returns to his vomit, that's in the Lord's script. To pull on y'all emotional strings, that gets the dog sick. Y'all all know what 11 now means. How they still on script? How? Man, forget how. A country is a woman. Don't gotta see the Fed files. I get messages when I'm plugged in. I go to bed, see reptiles. I've been summoned in London. Fly to France with entranced. The finances coming. I'm no politician, but I'm immersed in authentic. That sounds like a threat when I don't tell y'all why I said this. Security breached, so I came to teach. Might see me in a studded collar, see her on a leash. We a posted Impala, a mama in the seat. She bring the bread to Papa, but she know he ain't a leech. Who got a better plan than your man? No one speaks. Might see me in a mask and her ass showing cheeks. Who controls the stash in the past? Obsolete. Don't matter. Who controls the mass in the last days? Speak. The proof of control only unfolds in a time route. I disrupted her skill in due time, she will find out. The more the others bend to her will, wants to define how I slipped out of her grips with these gills. She fumbled fine trout. That's what she whined about, but when I heard her cry out love, I just couldn't feel it. Turned up Amy Winehouse, a box store's value when I seen y'all take mine out when stakes were high. That's why the face when she states we should dine out. I understand we getting money. And you're lovely, no offense, but about to make some sandwiches if we don't write off that expense. Listen, it ain't the money, it's the principle. I see men without it become invincible. I see men who rob it become lynchable. I seen them shoplifting and target the bare minimum. It ain't just you I gotta watch when in these streets. Some men are capable of security breach. Security breach. So I came to teach. Might see me in a studded collar, see her on a leash. We a posted Impala, a mama in the seat. She bring the bread to Papa, but she know he ain't a leech. Who got a better plan than your man? No one speaks. Might see me in a mask and her ass showing cheeks. Who controls the stash in the past? Obsolete. Who controls the mass in the last days? Speak. Let me hear something.